On this video, I will show you how you can make a value scale to use it in your painting process. This value scale will allow you to place a dab of paint of a color that you are mixing to determine its value. Also, because it's laminated, you can clean it up really easy with a paper towel and a little bit of mineral spirits like Gamblin's Gamsol and reuse it many times. You will need the following to make the value scale. You need an inkjet printer, a thermal laminator. I have a Scotch thermal laminator that I bought from Walmart for about $20. You need a laminator pouch, a ruler, and a cutting knife. You need an 11 by 8.5 glossy photo paper to print your scale. On the description, you will find a link where you can download the value scale image. The value scale consists of 11 values, 10 being white and 0 being black, and in between you have 9 value gradations from 1 to 9. After downloading the image in your computer, you can print it using your computer printer function, or you can use your manufacturer's program. I happen to have an Epson printer, so I will be using their software. After you print the image using your photo, glossy paper, insert the print in the laminator pouch and feed it to your thermal laminator. After that, just use the ruler and the knife to trim the laminated value scale and you are set to use this tool. Let me know what you think on the comments below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.